Nike Air Max 90 Bacon. These are incredible. Recently I picked up a couple of Grail sneakers. This is the first one. Nike Air Max 90 Bacon. They're absolutely beautiful. These have been out for a couple of years. They're retro from 2004. They're absolutely amazing. And I can't tell you how much I am buzzing to own these sneakers. I had to wait 2 whole weeks just to get my hands on them. Before we get into the review, I'd just like to say that I got these for an absolute steal. The stress I've had waiting for this sneaker is ridiculous, but it was worth the wait. 100% worth the wait. Oh my god, Nike Air Max 90 Bacon, absolute Grail sneaker. If you are an airhead like me, you would absolutely love to own these. I got them for £130. 130. That's retail for these. They came out for 130. How I managed to get them for this price, I don't know. They've dropped down in value on GOAT. You can get yourself a pair for roughly around that amount now. It varies on GOAT anyway, but for 130, brand new, these haven't been used, they haven't been worn, there's no imprints to them, there's no scuff marks, the tread is still there. Before we get into it, I've got to do one thing. 1 sneaker, 2 sneaker, now that's bacon. To design this sneaker, the process it went through to just come up with something unique and daring like that is insane. Dave's Quality Meats DQM is a sneaker store designed to look like a butcher shop. Absolutely insane, I know. I've done my research, pretty cool. Then they've done a collaboration with Nike to come up with the Air Max 90 Bacon. Absolutely insane. What a collaboration. I'm absolutely buzzing to hold these in my hands. Absolutely buzzing. I'm still getting over the fact that I own them, but as a Nike collector, this is a must-have. 100% must-have the Bacons. I got a box without a lid. That's why I got them for 130. I don't care. I'm going to wear the shit out of these. It doesn't matter. I'm going to wear these so much that the box ain't going to be needed. I'm never going to resell these. These are holy grail for me, mate. I'm telling you now. Okay, so it comes with a few things. So you get a couple of extra sets of laces. You get a red set, which is really cool. Then you get a pink set. Again, really cool. I'm going to try them both. Why not? And then you get some arch heel supports, which are really cool. That's just some of the features you get. If you order from GOAT, you get a GOAT sticker. Who doesn't want a GOAT sticker? Authentication, GOAT verified tab thingy. And if it's all notched, then you know they're legit. I've checked them myself as well. I know what's fake and what isn't. I think I do anyway. It comes in a black box and you actually get a sleeve with it. The description's there as well. For 130. That's including delivery. They came all the way from Cincinnati. That's mad. The story behind this, I'm not really that familiar with it. I just knew when these come out, I wanted them. I'm going to take you through the materials, the sizing, and what I think of the sneakers at the end. Obviously, you probably already guessed my rating, but we'll do that at the end because that's how we do things around here, alright? Guys, if you're new to the channel and you like Nike Air Max 90s, like, subscribe, turn notifications. I'll also leave a link on screen, either this side or this side. You'll be able to check out all my other Nike Air Max videos. Let's just start off with the tongue. Super soft, subtle. The sock liner is special on these 90s, alright? It's made out of leather. There's a leather sock liner. First I've ever had on any sneakers in my life. It feels weird, and to put it on feet, it's definitely different, but it feels really nice. We've got this beautiful suede all around the upper, around the toe box. You can brush your finger along that. It'll feel real nice. It's got that real nice buttery suede. The swoosh, leather, bright pink, which makes the sneaker pop against all the other colours. Then you got a short haired suede all around the sneaker on the mudguard. Really nice. The toe box, bar the suede, is made of leather. Again, it's like a, I wouldn't say that's a tumbled leather, but maybe it is. I'm not sure if it is or not. I think these are going to crease quite bad. The eye stays made of leather, like a hard leather, super hard leather that is. There's a couple of QC errors that I'm noticing as I'm going over the sneakers, but I'm not that fussed. I'm just hyped to own these. I can't even tell you how hyped I am. I don't even know whether it's coming through in the video. I want it to. I want this video to be exciting. I want the airheads to be as excited as I am. I know these are old, but they're a grail. If you are any sort of sneakerhead, you will know that these are a grail. Let's go down to the midsole. It's a nice foam, squidgy, but kind of solid on the actual outsole. But the midsole is kind of squidgy. And then you get to that lovely pink hit in the air unit. Oh my God, that feels so amazing. I can't down this sneaker. Like, everything about it for me is amazing. The colorway, the materials, the leather sock liner just gives it that mark above the rest. That's how you know you get like that special sneaker. All right, then you get that lovely heel plate, super dope. That bright pink against the leather heel plate looks awesome. Then you got the brown Air Max on the side. They could have put a hit of pink in there maybe, but I don't know. I think overall this sneaker looks absolutely dope. I can't see anything wrong with it apart from a couple of QC errors. So if you're interested, on the actual eye stay just there on the eyelet, there is some pink. What else does I find? And there's one odd stitching out of place, and that's on that bit of the mudguard. All right, that's it. Other than that, boys and girls, it's super dope. And then we go to the outsole. Looks beautiful. I would have loved if they ran a hit of red or pink in there, to be honest. That's my personal preference. The insole, pretty cool. It's nice and spongy. Like, I'm not having any issues with my feet hurting or anything like that. We've looked at all the material. Now we're going to look at the fit and the sizing. Very strangely, they feel like they run a bit big. I'm not sure whether I'm imagining that, but they do feel a bit wider than your general Nike Air Max 90, but it's not the recrafted model, so it is on the toe box a slightly different shape to what you can get now. So there is a difference in sizing, but only ever so just. I wouldn't suggest, if you're going to buy these, to go out a size up unless you're a wide footer. These fit true to size for me. They feel a little wide, but I believe that's because of the type of sock liner they've got in there. But your feet, I put my feet in, they're comfortable. I'm a size 7, bought a size 7, and they fit absolutely perfectly. I gotta rate this sneaker, it's absolutely dope. I hope you enjoyed my hype for this. And I'm gonna be saving for more grail type sneakers now. I'm not gonna buy so many general releases or GRs. I'm gonna start buying like more hyper sneakers or hype sneakers, whatever you want to call it. But my rating for this sneaker is 10 out of 10. You probably guessed it, but it is 10 out of 10. The materials, the nostalgia, everything about this sneaker gives me goosebumps. The materials are amazing on this. Yes, they do fit a little bit weirder than your normal Air Max 90, but they're still super comfortable. Pillows on your feet. I'm lost for words. Like, I have no more words, guys. An amazing sneaker. If you're a sneakerhead and you like 90s, cop it. Don't waste your time. Get on there, buy it. You won't be disappointed. They feel luxury, mate. They feel real luxury. And I am very, very blessed to be able to say I have this in my collection at the top of my rack. I gotta get some reverse duck camos next, or duck camo. One of the other, I don't know. But we will be getting another sneaker soon. I'm just glad they're not fake. I'm just glad they're not fake. Guys, if you have enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, turn notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!